Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here and welcome everybody to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can remove your password from your Windows 10 guys. So whenever you log in, whenever you start your computer, it normally asks for your password whenever you log in into your computer. But in this video I'm going to show you how to remove that password completely, and next time when you log in there won't be any password anymore. And I would like to give a short disclaimer that this is not a hacking method, or if you do not know your current password then you cannot get any help from this video, so make a good note of that guys. So let's start this video. Make sure that you know your password. So the first thing what you have to do is go to your start icon. Go to your start icon and make sure that you click on this settings over here. After you click on settings, make sure that you click on this accounts over here, and after clicking on accounts, make sure that you go to sign in options, and after you click on sign in options, make sure that you click on password, and after you click on password there will be something called as changed over here, so make sure that you click on that and make sure that you enter your current password. So I've entered my current password, and now it will ask for a new password and confirm password. But you don't want any password actually guys, you just want your computer to be free. So what you can do is you can just click on next, and directly it will just allow you to just finish the setup, and you can just add your password once again, and it won't ask you for your current password anymore. So the next time you log in into your computer, it won't ask you for the password. So that's how you can remove your password from your Windows 10. I hope this tutorial helped you. If this tutorial helped you, then please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care everybody.